Okay, so here's the deal. Your brain? It's not broken. It's just lazy. Like Netflix autoplay level lazy. Every time you try to learn something new, your brain goes, hmm, interesting. Let's forget it in 5 minutes. Why? Because your brain doesn't care about your exam, your job interview, or your sudden urge to learn quantum physics at 3 a.m. It's busy trying to keep you alive, remembering that fire is hot, remembering the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. But don't panic, because I'm about to teach you how to hack your own brain into not forgetting everything. Step 1. Stop highlighting stuff like a human highlighter machine. You're not studying, you're decorating. Your notes look like a unicorn sneezed on them. Instead, read a little, close the book, and try to explain it to your wall. If your wall looks confused, you didn't get it. Step 2. Spaced repetition. It's not sexy, but it works. Study something today, review it tomorrow, then again in 3 days, then next week. Why? Because your brain is a forgetful little goblin that needs constant reminders. Like that one friend who always forgets your birthday. Yeah, that's your memory. Step 3. Use weird, dramatic, ridiculous examples. Trying to remember that the capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar? Imagine a llama in a bathtub singing Mongolian throat music. You'll never forget it again. Your brain loves chaos. Quick intermission. If you're vibing with this chaos and actually learning something, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and maybe even share this with a friend who forgets their own password daily. All right, back to the madness. Step 4. Teach it like you're a YouTube guru. Pretend you're filming a video. Explain the topic like you're the expert, even if you're 65% confused. Confidence is 80% of intelligence on the internet anyway. Step 5. Sleep. Yes, actual sleep. You pulling an all-nighter? Cute. Your brain dumps everything when it's sleep-deprived. You'll wake up knowing nothing except that your pillow is soft. So get that 7 to 8 hours, legend. Bonus tip. Write with your hands. Typing is fast, but writing is struggle. And struggle equals memory. So use that pen like it's the 1800s again. Listen, your brain wants to forget. But if you feed it enough weird, funny, spaced-out repetition with a sprinkle of sleep and drama, it'll start remembering like a clingy ex. So next time you forget what you just read, don't panic. Just remember, it's not you. It's your squishy, dramatic brain. And if you want more unhinged study wisdom from a disembodied voice paired with stick figures, like the video, subscribe to the channel and share this with a fellow forgetful gremlin. See you in the next one.